Hi, Sophie here at Craft Gin Club with Gay.
Hello.
From the Real Macaron Company. Gay's going to teach me how to make the June Gin of the Month inspired macarons.
So I've got here some white chocolate ganache. This is just basically white chocolate and double cream. And now we've got star anise. This is really just a little bit, a pinch is really what we want here. So a little pinch or two of the pink peppercorn. Just take a little bit of lime zest. So these are basically some of the botanicals that are in the gin. So we're just adding them to the chocolate.
It's all the best botanicals that are in the gin, I think.
Little squeeze and stir that. We are going to put into the fridge. The three main ingredients, which are caster sugar, icing sugar, and your ground almonds.
Right.
And then obviously an egg white. 40 grams of caster sugar, 40 grams of icing sugar. And we're going to sieve that. So you've got another bowl. So basically, just sieve your icing sugar into that bowl. So now we're going to take the other bowl, which you've already used.
This one,
And we're going to do 40 grams of ground almonds. So we're going to sieve this into the icing sugar. Okay, so now we've got that, and we're just going to add a little bit of lemon zest here because we want to carry on with that kind of reflection of the botanicals. And we're going to stir that together. And we're going to use a medium egg. So a medium egg white weighs about 32 grams.
Okay.
So we're going to whisk for about 30 seconds, and in that 30 seconds, it'll just go white and foamy. Because you can.
Oh. Was I supposed to?
But that's about 30 seconds.
Sorry.
You're going to add about half of your caster sugar.
Okay.
So you can start whisking it up, and now it will start to get thick. So now it should be really lovely, really thick, and we should be able to.
Can we do it over our head?
No, you can. You should
do it over my head.
You should open it. So we take a nice big block. So and then you just let it either drop in, dribble in. Yeah, come on, knock that in. So because it's so thick, you might actually have to take your spatula and just sort of give it a bit of a knock. It might take a little bit.
Come on.
Yeah, it won't come on. So let's whisk that in. So basically we're going to add about half of our dry ingredients, so just spoon it on. It's really important not to stir this in, because when we stir, we flatten, we put all that air in. Just fold those dry ingredients in. Add the rest, and then we do the same again. This is the macaronage. So having been really careful and being gentle with our macaron mixture, now we actually want to beat it a little bit. So using a spatula, a bit like a beater, you paddle through it, a paddle. And then if I lift this now, you'll be able to see it's already much more fluid.
The consistency has changed completely.
Yeah. Now we're going to get this into the piping bag. Put that into the cup.
It's not flowing like yours is flowing, but it's going in.
So basically you're just going to get this up, lift it out. You're going to cut the little top off. Then if we go to the middle of the template, a little bit of pressure at the top of the bag. That's it, that's it. So now we can now tap them. You have the job, because you've got the red ones, of putting the ground peppercorn on the top.
Lovely. Good.
There you go. Okay, and then we will put them in the oven.
These are the finished products.
You've done
I
extremely well.
can't believe it.
So now we have to put them together with some of the ganache that we made. It's always worth lifting them out and peeling them off.
Right.
So let's make pairs.
Okay.
You basically get the cream in the middle, holding the macaron to the side. So you don't want to put your fingers through it because you'll just break it. And then a little bit of a twist and it'll come together.
I'm really happy with those.
Gorgeous.
Well done. Yay. So how do people go about booking masterclasses?
Well, the easiest place is to go onto the website or to drop me an email.
Yeah.